What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. So this video, as you've probably seen from the thumbnail and the title, is going to be a little bit different than the other videos we've seen previously on the channel. We're going to be starting today as the first episode of our first salvage auction rebuild series that we're bringing to the channel. As you've seen, we have picked up a new Mopar for the channel and I am super excited to share it with you guys. We've purchased a 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk from the Copart salvage auction, and it is here on the transport trailer. We're going to take a run out front right now, get it off of the transport truck, bring it into the garage, and start taking a look at it, give it its first initial inspection, and show you guys everything that's going to need. Let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. We have the Trailhawk in the garage here. We got it safely off the transport trailer, and now we can start taking a look at what this thing needs to be able to get it back on the road. First and foremost, I'm looking at the major damage up front. We're going to need a hood without a doubt. We're going to need a front bumper, this piece right here that extends the bumper, and we're going to need a headlight. The crash bar is completely destroyed, as you can see. Looks like they ran into something pretty good there, and there is some folding to the crash bar that bolts onto the radiator support right here. Thankfully, there is no frame damage. We did inspect that. The frame rail behind the radiator support is completely straight. There's no kinking or damage of any sort in there, so I'm super happy about that. All this radiator support, coolers, all this stuff up front here just bolts on and off, so that'll be pretty easy to change. We are going to need a new transmission cooler, an AC condenser, and a new radiator in the back here, because as you can see, the coolant reservoir is empty, so everything that was in that radiator has already leaked out. What I'm going to do right now is get this Jeep up on the quick jacks, and we're going to do an oil change because this thing has been sitting for a significant amount of time at the auction, and I want to get whatever old oil is in it out and get some fresh in so it can be happy running while we're moving it around and doing whatever we need to do here. So without further ado, gonna grab those, slide them under the Jeep. There are 2 lift points on either side on the pinch weld, and that is the only way you can lift these. So we're gonna do that and get it up in the air and get some fresh Pennzoil in this thing. Alrighty guys, so we got the oil and filter changed. Next we're going to go ahead and change the engine air filter, and then we're going to go ahead and start removing all of these plastics up front, get the front bumper removed, get this crunched headlight taken out of here, and get all these broken pieces removed. And then we're going to take a look and see what we have to unbolt to start getting this stuff removed and get the radiator support and crash bar off of the car so we can get new ones installed. So now the bumper is completely removed from the vehicle. We're going to have much better access to get this radiator support and all these coolers removed. I am going to have to start by removing this passenger side, or driver's side, excuse me, headlight, which is still in good condition, so that's a great sign. We're going to have to remove that because it does bolt on to this radiator support right here. So in order to get this taken out, that's going to be the first thing I'll do. And then we will move on to getting the radiators and transmission cooler taken out, as well as the AC condenser. And then we'll be able to remove this whole damaged radiator support and get it out of here. So guys, that is going to be the end of today's video. I am super happy that we got this Jeep in here and we got a lot of work done getting the whole damaged front end removed and inspecting any further damage that may have been behind it. If you guys want to see more of this project come together or want to see this thing fully completed when we're done all the work that it needs, please feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can see all the future updates that are to come on this rebuild project. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day.